Okay, S&P 500, let's take a look at that. We're looking at the weekly chart here. You can see we got a significant down week, right, going on here. This range is 69. So not huge, but you can see it's crossed back down below this 42.08. I think that's, I don't think we're going to get this big, huge decline. This line right here, I could see prices going above it and below it and doing its thing for a while. I do think primarily, though, we're going to be trading, the S&P 500 is going to be trading between 4327 and 42. I think it'll trade in between this area mostly. It's not that it can't dip down here and come back up like it's doing now. That's fine. The middle of this weekly cycle is about July 3rd or 4th. So right about there. The reason I mention that is because a lot of times prices will tend to decline down into the middle of cycles, or at least stall. Okay. I think overall, though, price is going to go up as we continue to go up into this weekly cycle. Long-term view here, right? There is some divergence going on here, both in the stochastic momentum index and the big daddy, so we do have to pay attention to that. MACD is not particularly high at 56. I mean, historically, it's been much higher. So this doesn't really concern me far as, do I think we're going to see some big pullback? We could see price decline, sure, and then come back up. Okay, let's take a look at the daily. Okay, so here on the daily chart, see two red days here, and this big upswing here, last week before Memorial Day weekend. Now we see this pullback going on. Again, I don't, do I think it's going to get way back down here to this 41.12 or any of that? No, I don't think it's going to do that. I think it's going to, whatever it needs to do here as far as a pullback, maybe get to the bottom of this candlestick, which is 41.46. Might not even get that low, right? Whatever this is going to do, run its course, and then I think we're going to see it come back up and start going this way. Again, be aware of this June 21st. There is a cycle low there, though it's not synchronized with the bigger cycle, so prices could stall wherever they're at, right? They may be just like right here, they may be way up in here, wherever the prices are at that time. Just expect price action to stall around this date, or maybe pull back a little bit. All right. Okay, let's take a look at the trade of the day. So here we are on the 5-minute chart. We'll look at that first. Look at this trade right here. My goodness. This was, again, early in the morning, pre-market, 5:35 a.m. on the futures. Right here, this is an alert that came in for the members. By the way, as I mentioned before, and I'll keep mentioning in the videos, the members get this chart, the 5-minute chart, the 15-minute, and the 1 hour streamed live 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, okay, on the futures. But look at this alert right here. I mean, my goodness. Right? An amazing alert. Wow. And there was another one here at 12:30 noon, my time, right here. Nice little trade. Probably ran from about, 41.80, maybe 41.90 up to about 41.97. Okay. Right? Maybe 10, 15 points right there. I mean, just two amazing opportunities right here and here. Just on the 5-minute chart alone. Wow. Okay, then here on the 1 hour, and let me just kind of spread this out a little bit so we just look at just today. Right, today on the 1 hour chart would be from here to here. And last night, the futures opened the night before at 7 o'clock, just 2 or 3 hours into the session. Look at that alert that came in on the hourly chart. Just look at this. All the way to 10 a.m. Now that's a trade, folks. And look at the MACD. As soon as it got, you could see here that the SMI rolled over, and then the MACD, somewhere about 9 o'clock at night, maybe 10 at the latest, really got in the negative territory. And that's all you needed to know from there. Just keep the position open and keep on rolling. Now here is my trade of the day, personally the trade I've been making. This has been a swing trade from all the way back here, but just look at this position. This shows up for the members on the Premium Symbols channel in the Discord server. On the Discord server, I'll show you that in a minute. But yeah, this position's just absolutely been rocking. So I took the position back here, a small position, when the alert came in. This was actually, like I said, on the Premium Symbols channel. There's files there, and I'll show you that in a moment. But look at this. A couple days later, it peaked out. I stayed in the position. Since then, I've added to the position. I think I started out with 3 futures contracts. I'm up to 13 contracts. Look at this profit that's going on here. $1,600 so far, and this is not done. I think this is going to run its course. You know, for at least another few days, and you see the cycle low here for this particular 10-year yield E-micro product. Just wanted to share that with everybody. I don't always share all my trades, but this one's such a good one. I thought I'd share it with everybody. You know, for the members, if you're watching the video, which hopefully you are, take advantage of those premium symbols in the Premium Symbols channel, because you know, here I am using my own service, found a really nice trade, took a swing trade. You can see for yourself this turned out to be a really sweet trade, right? And it's not done yet. So over here on the Discord server, this is where all of the services take place for the members. So if you're interested in that, you can click the first link in the comment section. It'll be pinned to the top in this video on YouTube. It'll take you to this server, okay? And then when you get there, click on server subscriptions right here. You're going to get this webpage right here. Look at this, $7.99. That is an extremely good value. Now here are all the alerts I was talking about. Here's the Premium Symbols channel. That's where I got that trade from. See, I actually use my own service and make trades. Yes, I actually use my own service. People have asked me that. Yes, and I don't just sell the service. I actually use it myself. That's how I picked up on that awesome swing trade for the yields, was out of this Premium Symbols channel, okay? But look at this. This is where all the alerts come in. The 5-minute, the 15-minute, the 1-hour alerts, and the daily alerts all come in here. If you want to trade that, you can. Right, members just come here. They right-click on this, on the label for the channel. They click notification settings, and they probably click all messages. That's what I do for the ones I want. Okay, I also trade gold and crude. So for those that want to trade some commodities, you can do that. Here are the stock alerts that come in. Top 30 stock for the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. Go into this channel. And then the daily alerts for those that want to do swing trades on stocks and futures. They'll show up in this channel. All right. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. Again, if you want to join the membership, just click on the link in the first comment of this video, coming over to the Discord server, and then click on the server subscriptions. Happy trading, everybody. We'll talk to you all real soon again next time.